Well, my dear students, here in this diagram, we will take here mixed combination of cells. I I told you in the previous video combination of three parallel, and we got condition there that internal resistance cell is small. Then we get advantage of connecting cells in series. We get current n times the single cell. And in parallel, when resistance of cells is higher, much higher than external resistance, then we get the current. But if these two conditions are not followed, what to do? So we can use mixed combination. We can see here that n cells are connected in series. Each cell has R and EMF E. And m rows, such rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, m rows, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 3, maybe 2, are connected here. In figure, I think there is no need to write, simple figure shows. Figure shows mixed combination of cells. Having an identical cells in each row. लाइन कह सकते हैं हम, रो भी कह सकते हैं. And such m rows in parallel. Dear student, please improve your drafting. Very simple questions are asked in board exam, and we will are unable to write the answer. We know the answer, but unable to write answer. I saw, actually I had been head examiner for 20 years, and simply the evaluator for 10-15 years again. And I observed that students are unable to answer simple questions. Just like I saw continuously for 3 years. That instead of electric dipole was asked, dipole, what is electric dipole? And majority of students could not answer. Then in such case you can take the help of diagram. Who makes the diagram minus q plus q and distance will लिख दिया. तो लिख दिया figure हो electric dipole, number मिल गए. Which means you know dipole. So represent yourself in any manner on your answer sheet correctly, not wrongly. So here n identical cells are in one row, n cells are there. Every row has n cells. So how much current will be drawn from this now? We have to see. So total EMF, equivalent EMF. We must say equivalent EMF of network. You can speak network of cells will be any, because in parallel potential remain same, and n cell. Now equivalent internal resistance of network of cells in each row there are n resistance and m row, so it is n r upon m. Do you understand it or not? Listen me, I am showing here. 1 upon R is equal to 1 upon NR plus 1 upon NR. If there are only 2 rows, then it is 2 by NR and R equal to NR by 2. 3 row NR. If M rows, then R by N. So current I, and hence I is equal to NE upon R plus NR upon N. How much it will be now? By LCM, I will be M N E upon MR plus NR. It is the value of current. The number M fixed है, N fixed. What can be variable? External resistance and internal resistance of cell can be varied. But cells may have low internal resistance. External cell may be low or may be high. So here we get I equal to M N E upon M R plus N R. What is N or what is M? Please remember. Sometime the examiner paper set to write M cell in 3 N rows. 3 उल्टा हो जाएगा. वो तो एक सिंपल बात है. Then our purpose of connecting cells is that how to obtain large current. ना भाई, large current कैसे मिलेगा? तो for maximum value I, for maximum value of I means current, the denominator should be as small as possible. Because we have teach student of bio also, then we have to use simple mathematics so that every child gets what is our purpose. There is an algebraic formula A minus B whole square. What is that? A square plus B square minus 2AB. And hence A square plus B square, you can write A minus B whole square plus 2AB. This is a simple thing. So MR plus NR can be written as under root MR minus root NR whole square plus 2 under root MR into NR. Please see simple thing, don't get afraid. Actually, learning ability, retaining the facts has become difficult for students nowadays because their concentration disturbed. Please work hard to learn the things. Now right hand side has two terms, this one or this one. If one term becomes 0, then the very minimum. So here MR plus NR will be minimum if MR equal to MR, and that minimum value going and this minimum value of MR plus NR will be under root, will be 2 under root MR into NR. But MR equal to NR है, तो you may get equal to either 2 MR or equal to 2 NR. तो अगर NR है MR फिर तो M square R square बाहर जाएगा. And therefore this is the condition of obtaining maximum current, and that I maximum will be M and E upon minimum value 2 NR यानी कि M E upon 2R, या अगर मैं यहाँ F2MR रख दूंगा तो then it will be NE upon क्या भाई 2R, दोनों बराबर आएंगे. तो condition for obtaining maximum current should be such that M R equal to NR. Remember it. M is the number of rows or N is the number of cells in each row. By using this fact, we can obtain the condition for maximum current. So please try your question. I am telling you question here. We have 12 cells. Question is here. We have 12 identical cells, each of EMF 1.5 volt and R equal to resistance 0.5 ohm. How should the cells should be connected to obtain large current या maximum current, maximum current. So here you will show all the conditions, series, parallel, mixed. We know if we connect to 12 cells, number of cells 12, small r 0.5 ohm, capital R 1.5 ohm. In series, I equal to होता है number 1. Question तो has come to mind. In series, I equal to NE upon R plus NR होता है. R हमारा 1.5 ओम है और NR कितना होगा 12 into 0.5 6 ओम. So this R is neither much larger than this, तो है ही नहीं. Small r 1.5 ohm is not greater than this. So we cannot connect in series to get maximum current. Since R is not greater than NR. भाई R should be larger than NR, तो सोचा तो उधर N by R होता नहीं. So no use of connected in series. We can't connect in series. We can't connect in series. If we come in parallel, अगर हम पैरेलल वाली बात करते हैं तो इन पैरेलल I was equal to NE upon NR plus R. NR here is equal to 12 into 1.5. How much? 18 ohm. So that way R is, तो करंट ये नेगेटिव हो गया 0.5, तो करंट will be equal to single cell. So no use of connectivity series. The option left is here miscombination. So we can't since ना, so I equal to क्या होगा N upon NR होगा equal to E by R single cell. So no use of connecting series neither in parallel nor in series. So we come miscombination. So in miscombination MR is equal to NR है भाई, और M into N 12 सेल है वो. अगर हमने N सेल इन वन रो जोड़ा और M रो जोड़ दी और MR equal to NR, तो putting here R equal to 1.5 is equal to 0.5 into R. So what is R? R equal to 3M. Putting this way, sorry, N है N, हाँ N 0.5 into N, तो N equal to 3M. Putting this value here, कहाँ, यहाँ sorry, तो N के 3M, तो ये 3M square equal to 12, M square equal to 4, M equal to 2, so N equal to 6. So we should connect 6 cells in series and 2 rows of 6 cells in series. So that way we get maximum current. This question has been asked many times in exam. I note this question exists when I was in class 12 also. Our teacher gave this question. So this was miscombination and a numerical on this. So let us finish the video and come to next topic in the next video.